Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to fix no sound on Google Chrome browser. If you're experiencing no sound on Google Chrome and Windows, follow these basic troubleshooting steps. Check Volume Mixer. Right-click the speaker icon and the taskbar and choose Open Volume Mixer. Ensure that Chrome's volume is not muted or too low. Check Chrome site settings. Open Chrome and go to Settings, three-dot menu, then Settings. Navigate to Privacy and Security, Site Settings, Additional Content Settings, then Sound. Ensure it is set to Sites Can Play Sound. Restart your Chrome on your PC. Close Chrome completely. Use Task Manager to end any running processes. Restart your computer and open Chrome again. Test other browsers and apps. Check if sound works in other browsers like Edge, Firefox, and apps like Spotify and YouTube. If there's no sound system-wide, the issue may be with your audio settings or driver. Disable extensions. Go to Chrome extensions and disable extensions one by one. Restart your Chrome and check if sound works. Clear cache and cookies. Open Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Clear browsing data. Choose cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then hit Clear Data or Delete Data. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.